Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set a custom notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So unfortunately, if we go to the settings, then scroll down to sounds and vibration and go to notification sound, then you may notice that there is no option to add your own audio file as a notification sound. So in order to make it work, we need to download an app, and the app is called Zedge, like so. And then we need to select this one and install it. This app allows you to find and change the notification sound on this device, and we need to use it in order to set a custom one. So let's open it, let's press accept and continue. I don't want to get notified actually. If you see this window, then in the top right corner you have this cross, you can close it. And now over here we can immediately go to notification sounds. And here we have some popular picks. You can also go to categories, and of course you can try to find something that you're looking for specifically. You can also use the search in order to try to find something really cool. Now I'm gonna just use a simple one. Let's say I'm gonna choose the duck sound. Let's close this. We can also press play in order to hear the notification, and if you like it, then you want to download it by pressing this button in the middle. There we go, and we're gonna set as notification, of course. We need to allow permission. This is just a one-time thing, so if you allow permission once, then it should be fine. Now let's go back one more time. Let's close this and this one as well, and just to make sure that we actually set it, we need to press one more time, set as notification, and there we go, notification sound updated. So now if we go back to the settings, and let's go to sounds and vibration and notification sound, we can see that we have set duck. So this is exactly what I have set in that app. So this is how we can set a custom notification sound. You can use this app in order to try to find something more specific. Of course, keep in mind that the app has some ads running, so unfortunately we need to deal with it pretty much. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.